Hello children. Okay, today we are going to study the next poem, the part of the fourth chapter, beauty. What is beauty? Let me tell you a little context of this chapter. You know students, when we talk about beauty, in the sense, it changes, it depends upon the things. It means if someone has some kind of beauty, beauty are of many kinds. Like if we talk about some girl, we always think that beauty is about the beautiful face, beautiful hairs, beautiful lips, beautiful cheeks, chin, everything that should be in the graceful manner, that is called beauty. But in other senses, the beauty changes. The beauty changes. And when the beauty changes, it depends upon the things. It means it depends upon the situation, about the things, about we are talking. Okay? So here the beauty is. What is beauty? The first question is, what is beauty? To describe what the beauty is, or list some of the things or person you think are beautiful. First you have to understand that what are the things to them you think they are beautiful. Okay, so let's take some examples, like the nature is very beautiful, like someone's face is very beautiful, like someone's garden is very beautiful. Yes,
Please tell it again.
beta, wait. After telling all the explanation of this poem, we will discuss and I will clear all the doubts. Okay. First, listen carefully only. Okay. Okay. So listen carefully. I will tell you more and more after 20 minutes. Okay. 20 minutes is assigned for the explanation, and after 20 minutes we will discuss the doubts. Okay. Now, what is beauty? You have to describe someone's beauty, but on what the basis are. The structure of someone, or the face of someone, or someone's complexion, what is the beauty in defined? Beauty can be defined in many cases. Let's see. Beauty is seen in the sunlight, the trees, the birds, corn growing and people working or dancing for their harvest. You know that in the first paragraph it is telling that beauty is not only about the beautiful face, the graceful eyes, the graceful manner, beautiful lips. It is not only that. Beauty is also vested in sunlight. It means you know that sunlight changes its faces. At the morning it is orange, at midday it is yellow, and at the evening again it became orange. It means that its beauty also changes. And you know that whenever the sun sets and when the rising of the sun, both of the time we look the sun, it looks very shining, it looks very beautiful. That means the sun has also a beauty. But generally in science, sun is only a source of light. But in literature, we can find a beauty in something. Everything has a different kind of beauty. In this class, in me, in you, everywhere, everything has a different kind of beauty. Okay? Just like it has been told in this poem. Beauty is seen in the sunlight. It means sunlight has also its beauty. Next, the trees. You know that trees also changes. You know that sometime at the time of autumn, all the leaves of the trees fell and it got bare, it got dry. But when again the spring comes, all the trees blossom its flowers, so everything became green and green. That means the tree has also birds have different colors. Different type of birds has different colors. That means birds are also having beauty. Let me give you one example. You must have seen peacock. Peacock has many colors. Its body is blue. Then you will go to the tail of the peacock. You will see that there is a green feathers. Very beautiful. And you must have seen different colors of parrots. You know, different colors of parrot, white parrots, green parrots, blue parrots, yellow parrots. So it means there is also beauty vested in the birds. Okay. Next, corn growing. Corn, you know, we eat sprinkling the corn seeds on pizza. So corn. So corn is also very, it looks very nice when it grows in some field. You will see that it looks very nice when you see a little far away from the field where the corn is growing. You will see that it will look very nice because it is having yellow color, and when it blossoms, it looks yellow in the green leaves. It looks very nice. Whenever you must go to see some cornfield, and you will find a different kind of gracious beauty, the different kind. And people working and dancing for their harvest. It means that when the harvest completed, people thinks that now the money will come, now the prosperity will come. So people dances at the harvest festival. Can you tell me the harvest festival name? Let me give you. In South India, you will find Onam is a harvest festival. When you will go to the north, you will find Makar Sankranti is a harvest festival. Just like that, Lohri is also harvest festival. Why they are harvest festival? Because the farmers, they enjoys their harvest. Okay, and when the fresh harvest comes to the home, people celebrate it at a feast. People celebrate it as a fete. That's why it is called harvest festival. Okay, it generally has been celebrated by people of India and abroad too. Okay, then beauty is heard. Beauty can be seen and beauty can be heard too. According to the author is telling that beauty also can be heard. How? In the night, wind shine. Shine means a smooth voice. Shine means smooth voice. When the wind blows, it makes a little sound, a beautiful, a soft sound. And that soft sound makes us feel happy. And that happiness is called beauty. It means wind has also a beauty. How? Because when it blows, it makes a smooth sound. That smooth sound makes us happy. And you only can listen. Yes? Listening. Wind can't, you can't see wind. You can't see wind, but listen, beta, listen carefully. Beauty is seen in what elements? The sunlight, the trees, the birds, the corn, the people working and dancing at their harvest. Then the beauty can be seen. But when it is telling about the listening quality of beauty, it is telling that in night the wind sighs. It means that wind cannot be seen, but wind has also a quality of beauty to make the sound beautiful, to make beautiful sound. Next, rain falling. When the droplets of rain comes on the ground, it makes a different type of sound. Tip, tip, tip. This sound also makes a different music, and that music is the beauty. Okay. Next, or a singer chanting. Singer who is singing Playback. Playback singer, you know? You know playback singer? Yes. When some hero, some heroine, some actor or actresses do some acting behind the song was being played, that song has been sung by some playback singer, and that playback singer's voice quality has a beauty. It means voice quality has also a beauty. Yeah, whether we don't know who is singing at the back, but when it has been listened by us, we can understand the beauty of that voice. Okay. Next, anything in our list. Next, beauty is in yourself. Now, we have seen that two types of beauty. What? The first type of beauty that can be seen. Number two type of beauty that can be heard. Now we are going to find the beauty in ourselves. It means in you and me. We are going to find some beauty. Let's find the beauty in ourselves. Okay? Good deeds. When you do some good, that is your beauty. It is not the beauty, your face, your cheeks, your body structure. That is not beauty. When you do something good, it is not telling about inside you. It is not telling about your inside organ like your heart, your lungs, your stomach. That is not telling. Inside you means inside your soul. You know that our body is made of two things. The first thing that is your outer space, and inside that there is a soul by which you are living. When you die, your soul leaves your body. Okay, and that time it is telling about your soul's beauty. Your soul's beauty tells that when you do something good, your soul's beauty can be seen. It means when you help someone. You know, class, whenever in our class someone asks some help, you help them. You help them by giving your copy, by giving your pen. Sometimes we also tell and denote someone to do something. We also help other students if someone has not brought any time, he didn't bring some food. You also help by giving some food, by sharing your food. That is also a good thing. It means there is also a kind of beauty in your soul. Next thing, happy thoughts. If you are having happy thoughts, that means your soul is pure, and your purity of your soul is your inner beauty. Okay. Next thing, that repeat themselves. It means when you do something good, other soul will also do something good for you. Okay. And in your dreams, in your work, and even in your rest. It means in your whole life, when you will have some happy thoughts towards others, when you will do something good for others, your soul will be pure, and your soul's beauty will be your best beauty. Thank you.